Environmental pollution. The word pollution might not be new for us. Our elders talk about the blue sky, clean water, and fresh air that was available in their time. Scientists regularly report on the falling quality of the environment. We ourselves feel the impact of the air and water pollution in our lives. Number of people suffering from diseases of the respiratory system, for example, lung cancer, asthma, etc. If we don't not control pollution, clean air and water may no longer be available. The environment is made up of systems, cycles and specialized relationships between living and non-living elements. When everything is working the way it should be, all the living organisms within the environment, including humans, and healthy and thriving. In the same way, if something harmful is introduced into the environmental cycle or part of the cycle is disturbed, it can cause a chain reaction of problems right through the rest of the systems. These changes can really hurt the health of and well-being of living organisms. One of these negative changes in pollution, which is the result of unnatural elements entering the environment. Unfortunately, humans are usually at fault in this regard. Anything that is harmful to the environment is pollution. Litter, car exhaust, motor oil, used tires, smoke, chemicals, disposed computer, mobile phone, material, etc. All of this can have an instant or a gradual impact on our human health.
Reduce pollution using public transport, recycle and reuse, say no to plastic bags, reduce of forest fires and smoking, avoid mobile use of fans instead of air conditioner, use filters for green evolution. The best solution to stop pollution. Stop the pollution quick. Do not make your life sick. Plant safety. Saving plants means saving our own lives. It provides us with fresh oxygen. 88% has no use of plant. However, you are alive. Therefore, think before you act. If you want a healthy body with a healthy soul, then you surely must make saving and seeding plants your goal. Make a plant your best friend. It only gives without asking for everything in return. Be a friend to environment. Keep clean. Stop being means keep the air clean. Stop air pollution before it causes health deterioration. Find the answer to set an end to air pollution. Pollution is unfair. Plant as many trees to breathe clean air. If you plant each day one tree, it will make your life free. Less air pollution is the answer to a healthy life. Air pollution does not need to visa to travel across the borders. If you do not kill pollution, it will kill you. Let's push towards green to keep the planet clean. Earth is for everyone's need and not for everyone's greed. Only when the last tree has died, the last river has been poisoned, and the last fish has been thought, will we realize that we can't eat money. We were born to help the world, not to destroy it. Then why we are destroying the environment? Air pollution is not a joke. Air pollution on we will make your joke.
What is air pollution? The composition of air in the atmosphere comprises four major gases, namely nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Other substances are present in a very little amount, and hence they are collectively known as trace components. The atmosphere contains about 21% of oxygen, which is an essential element for survival of all living organisms. Also, it is equally important for the process of combustion. We already read in the physics chapter combustion. flame and fuels. Carbon dioxide, which is 0.03% in essential for the process of photosynthesis in plants. All the other components have their own importance and all are in a naturally balanced state. When this balanced state is disturbed either by some natural phenomena or by human activities, it is then called air pollution. The substances responsible disturbing this naturally occurring balance are said to be pollutants. Some pollutants that enter the air by natural disasters, for example volcano eruptions, forest fires, dust and sandstorms. The effects of air pollution. Air pollution continues to evoke a great deal for interest worldwide due to its negative impacts on human health and welfare. It causes certain diseases including shortness of breath, sore throat, chest pain, asthma, and lung cancer. Extreme effects of air pollution include high blood pressure and cardiovascular problems. The World Health Organization states that 2.4 million people die each year from causes directly attributable to air pollution. In addition to its negative health impacts, air pollution is known to cause injuries to animals, forests, and vegetation and aquatic ecosystems. Its impacts on metals, structures, leather, rubber, and fabrics include cracks, soil deterioration, soil erosion, etc. Some of the negative effects caused by particulate matter, hydrogen, sulfur dioxide, and carbon monoxide poisoning pollutants. To reduce air pollution. Air pollution cannot be totally eliminated. It can, however, be controlled. Some of the methods for controlling air pollutants are: first, tall chimneys should be installed in all factories to reduce air pollution at the ground level. Better designed fuel burning equipment should be used in homes and industries so that fuel is burnt completely. Install electrostatic purifications in the chimneys of industries. Reduce vehicular emissions by using non-pollutant fuels like CNG. Use LPG for domestic use. Improve the quality of fuel in automobiles and use converters in them. Make use of renewable alternative source of energy like solar energy, wind energy, and hydro energy. Water pollution. What is water pollution? Air is the important resource for human survival. In the same way, water plays vital role in our lives. The history of human civilization explains that they develop on the banks of rivers because water is a main resource for human development. After industrial revolution, water resources are being polluted. Water pollution is another hazard caused by greedy human being activities. Water is a unique substance because it can naturally renew and cleanse itself by allowing pollutants to settle down through the process of sedimentation or breakdown, or by diluting the pollutants to a point where they are not in harmful concentrations. However, this natural process takes time and is difficult when excessive quantities of harmful contaminants are added to the water. Humans are using more and more materials that are polluting the water, thus the contamination of water with unwanted and harmful substances such as waste, toxic chemicals, industrial waste, etc. is causing water pollution, and the substances that pollute water are called water pollutants. Normal water is colorless without any smell and any unwanted substances. Thus, water suitable for drinking is called potable water. Most of the water resources like rivers, tanks, and canals are being polluted by adding various pollutants from factories and by adding garbage. River with great historical background and good resource for drinking and agriculture are now becoming water stagnated, dumping garbage. To control water pollution. Water pollution can be prevented or minimized by adopting following measures. Toxic industrial waste should be treated chemically to neutralize the harmful substances present in it before discharging into rivers and lakes. The sewage should not be dumped into the river directly. It should first be treated at the sewage treatment plant to remove the organic matter from it in the form of manure. The use of excessive fertilizers and pesticides should be avoided. The use of synthetic detergent should be minimized or biodegradable detergents should be used. Dead bodies of human beings and animals should not be thrown into the rivers. Trees and shrubs should be planted along the banks of the rivers. Follow forests to control pollution. Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Once the material are used for their primary purpose, reuse them for some secondary purpose. Example, if you have got your printouts on the plain white paper, you can use the other side of the paper. Once the project is over and the papers are no longer needed for printing, in this manner, you can save considerable amount of trees to be cut down to meet the damaged papers. Recycling is the next stage of reuse. Most of the materials can be recycled for use and recycled again and again till the properties are useful and are not degraded to an extent that can prevent their effective use. Natural resources are the divine gift for us by nature. We can use these resources in a meaningful way which will help us. If we destroy these resources, human life will become an unsolvable puzzle. We should keep these resources clean and healthy not only for us but also for future generations.